Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 5th of September, 2024, and we've got a lot to cover in the world of Tesla and technology. From ambitious plans for self-driving cars to intriguing developments in data centers and the latest features in Tesla vehicles, we've got it all. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla is gearing up to launch its full self-driving service in Europe and China by early 2025, pending regulatory approval. While the company hasn't yet secured the necessary permissions, CEO Elon Musk is optimistic about getting the green light by the end of 2024. FSD is an enhancement to Tesla's existing autopilot system, which is already available in these regions. Despite its name, FSD requires drivers to stay alert and ready to take control. This move is part of Musk's strategy to cement Tesla's position as a leader in AI and self-driving technology. Competitors like Waymo and Pony.ai are already ahead with commercial robotaxi services, so this launch is crucial for Tesla's ambitions. Elon Musk's companies, including Tesla, X Corp, and xAI, are making significant investments in data centers to bolster their operations and AI development. These facilities are strategically located in places like Austin, Texas, and Shanghai, China. Tesla's data centers are vital for processing data from its electric vehicles and supporting AI training for its full self-driving technology. The company is also expanding its capabilities with the Dojo supercomputer, aiming for substantial processing power. X Corp has optimized its data center operations, increasing high-performance computing capacity with new NVIDIA GPUs. Meanwhile, xAI is building a massive supercomputer in Memphis, Tennessee, to support its AI chatbot, Grok. These investments highlight Musk's commitment to advancing AI and electric vehicle technology. Tesla has introduced a new feature called Actually Smart Summon, or AS, for its S3 XY electric vehicles. Released on Labor Day, this feature allows owners to summon their cars to their location using the Tesla app. Unlike its predecessor, AS uses Tesla Vision instead of ultrasonic sensors and offers a live camera feed for better control and safety. The original Smart Summon faced criticism for its performance, including incidents like a crash into a private jet. ASS is part of Tesla's broader strategy to integrate advanced self-driving capabilities into its vehicles. This launch comes ahead of Tesla's planned unveiling of a robo-taxi in California, aligning with Musk's vision for a future rideshare fleet. In Oakland, California, police have started towing Teslas to secure potential video evidence from the vehicle's cameras. This practice stems from the extensive camera systems in Teslas, which can capture incidents like thefts or accidents. Reports indicate that police are actively seeking Teslas parked near crime scenes for possible footage. In one case, a Canadian tourist had to persuade officers not to tow his Tesla, which was identified as a potential witness to a homicide. While warrants provide a legal basis for these actions, critics worry about the implications for car owners who might find their vehicles missing without notice. This situation raises broader concerns about privacy and surveillance as law enforcement adapts to new technologies. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful and engaging. As always, you can find links to all the stories we covered in the episode notes. Stay tuned for more updates on Tesla and the ever-evolving world of technology. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.